Okay. I'm gonna get the top. Okay. Do you have any idea? Meron ba kayong idea kung anong gagawin natin? Done? Spelling? Is that a spelling contest? Okay, listen up. Tita, listen. Ganito ang gagawin natin. The name of the game is what I call the Draw Your Faces. So may nakapagkasya naman kayo ng parties na gagawin ito? Wala pa? Ito, wala pa. So medyo mahirap sa inyo. Okay. Don't worry! Kasabihin ko po sa inyo kung anong parts ng mukha ang dapat i-drawing na. For example, sinabi ko, draw your nose. So ilong lang. Ilong. Or sinabi ko, draw your left ear. Kailangan left ear lang. Or right eye. Kailangan right eye lang. So madali lang po yun. Siyempre, hindi ko naman kayo paglalaro nila, hindi kayo gano'n mahirap. May talking twist na. Ma'am.
Sakit si Pauline. Sobrang sa swimming. Sobrang doon sa swimming pool nila.
Kailangan nakatapat sa audience. Just like this. At medyo nakatalgo sa mukha yan. Just like this. For example, sinabi ko, draw your nose. You need to do like this. It doesn't matter.
Picture natin.
Pwede papilog.
Okay,
Pero bawal po ito
Pipicturean ko sila. Pipicturean ko sila.
Bawal yung titingnan yung drawing nyo. So, the only makakakita na ng drawing is yung mga audience. And kasi, later on, audience, I will need your help. Mamaya yan. I'll tell you later. Okay?